So good morning, everyone. So this is for your computer organization class. Okay. We'll wait 1 minute or 2 minutes. Okay, because 9:01 a.m. Let us wait for more than 1 minute. So we'll start slowly. Let them join. So today's topic is control unit. Okay. So as you know, the basic component of the control unit, those are mainly register files. We have lots of registers, bunch of registers. Okay, already we have discussed about the registers and their functions and their bit capacity. Okay, so there may be some registers. Okay, so these are registers basically. You can so these are registers. Okay, these are registers. There may have control unit. Okay, this is most important. That we're going to discuss today. Is control unit. This is most important. Okay, so this is your control unit, control circuit. Okay, so this is your control circuit. This is your control circuit. And the most important part is ALU, as you know, arithmetic and logic unit. This is ALU. Okay, this is your ALU.
हेलो
Yes,
गुड मॉर्निंग सर
good morning.
सर बोल रहे फोन डिस्चार्ज है यही वाला फोन से क्लास कर रहे हैं सर शिव शंकर का तो अटेंडेंस इसी में दे दे रहे
अच्छा ठीक है। हाँ, लोड
विशाल
शेडिंग
सर
सुबह से तो कारण नहीं है। मेरा लैपटॉप में भी वही
हाँ
हाल है
सर
कारण क्या करें, कोई बात नहीं। तुम बाद में व्हाट्सएप कर दीजिए, है ना।
ठीक है सर
हाँ हाँ, क्योंकि वो दिमाग में रहेगा।
हाँ सर
ठीक है ना। विशाल
ठीक
बोल
है
रहे हो ना।
यस सर
हम्म। So the today's topic is your control unit, and as we know, the basic components of the control unit. You know, there is a register bunch. Okay, so this is register bunch. This is control circuit. That is most important. That we're going to discuss today, this part. So this is most important. This is your control unit, a control circuit, and this is arithmetic logic unit, ALU. Okay. Also there is some instruction registers for detection. This is your IR. Okay. And instruction address generator. Also there may be instruction address generator. Instruction instruction address generator. Instruction address generator. And there may be some interface. Okay. As you know, need some interface. So this is processing memory interface. This is your processing memory interface. This one. So today we'll discuss about control circuit. Okay, this part. This is your control circuit. Okay. So control circuit is most important. Control circuit. That part we'll be discussing. Because you have seen that in our instruction cycle, every time lots of control signal has been generated. Okay, so we'll go today in detailed discussions. Already we know the what is instruction, how many instructions are there, type of instruction, classification of the instructions, and the basic formats of the instructions, how to fetch, how to decode, okay, how to execute, everything we know. So today we'll go detailed discussion of the control circuit. So whenever you are having some sort of instructions, okay, so lots of signals has been generated. Okay, so that is the topic of the today's discussion. So whiteboard देख रहे हैं आप लोग? Is it visible to you? Whiteboard? I think I have shared it. So control unit, okay. So the thing is that the control unit, okay, control unit organization. Control unit organization is most important. Here we are having two types of control unit. First one is hardware. That means, okay, first one is hardware and the second one is microprogram. Okay, so second one is your microprogram. So hardware means you people know that the circuitry is there. Okay, you are generating the signals by designing circuits. Okay, so whenever an instruction executed, lots of signals are generated, timing signals are generated, control signals are generated. So that can be done by means of two ways. First one is your hardware. Hardware means there must be some physical connection, isn't it? So circuit must be there. Dedicated circuit must be there. And microprogram means you are just programming. Okay, by programming, by software writing, coding writing, you are generating the control signals. So two methods are there. We are adopting two ways. First one is hardware, and the second one is your microprogram control. So two types. This is most important. So hardware means, as we know, the control logic must be adopted, designed, okay, by means of gates. Okay, there should have several gates, flip-flops are there, decoders are there, and there may some other digital circuit, maybe multiplexers, okay, the multiplexers, okay, counters, all these things, okay. So this is hardware circuit. So that's why I have written over there. Control logic is implemented with gates. So gates, okay, there may be some flip-flops, maybe decoders, and other digital circuits may be required. So as these are physical circuit, so that's why these are called hardware control unit. So these are the components of the hardware control unit. Okay. So advantage. What is the advantage? Advantage is that here you can optimize to produce a faster mode of operation. This is more faster. Okay, because this is directly it is connected. Okay, just little bit propagation delay of the device, nothing more than that. Okay, so there is not uh, lots of steps are there. Okay, so few available steps are there, so that's this is more faster, but it is having some disadvantage. Why? Because मान लो तुम एक सर्किट को बना दो, so you have made a circuit for a particular type of operation. Okay, now if you add something, if you want to update the circuit, it is quite difficult because you made it permanently. It is fixed up. So that's why designing is okay, it's simpler, but updating or updation of the circuit, okay, hardware circuit is quite complex. Okay, so that's why this is also having disadvantage, but it is faster, no problem at all. Okay, so this is faster. So now so that's why I have written over there. Okay, so disadvantage is that what is disadvantage? Rearranging the wires among various components is difficult. So if you have lots of circuits, so connectivity is also difficult, and also that told you updation. So if you want to update some circuit, then it is quite difficult to add those circuits because previously you made the circuit and that is fixed. So this is the disadvantage. Okay. So let us move for the pictorial view of the hardware control unit. Okay. So this is your hardware control unit. Okay. So for that, see this is your instruction registers. Okay. So instruction registers are there. So that instruction decoder, instruction registers, there have some sort of bits. Okay, by uh, that bits you are sending an instruction. So instruction registers just decoding it. Okay, it sends to the decoder for decoding. Okay, so instruction register because you have to decode what are the operations are there, what are the instructions are there. So that's why you are sending this to the decoder. So if it is 2 to 4, it may be 3 to 8, it may be 4 to 16. Okay, so something like that. So think there are several instructions are there. I0, I1, I2, I. Lots of instructions are there. It can have lots of instructions. Okay, so it will execute one by one. So suppose you have said I0 instructions. Okay, you have made the I0 instructions. Correct. So for that, you are having timing signals because you people know that when we have discussed about your fetching the instruction, decoding the instruction, over there we have seen that each and every operations there must have some timing signal. Okay, sequence of the timings. So that is most important. So I can give some example over here how the instruction execution takes place here. Suppose you and your friend is staying at your room, okay, your home, okay. Now you want to have some sweets, okay. So this is your home, and you directly moving to the uh, uh, kitchen. You have the refrigerator. You opened it, and you have collected switch. Okay, so that means what are the steps? You have to collect the switch. That is the work. So you go straight to the kitchen and you got the refrigerator. Over there you collected switch. But your friend is totally unknown. So that's why you have to give some instruction. Go straight, then left, turn left, you will get the kitchen. Then move left side. Okay, you will get the refrigerator. Open the door, then you will have the switch. So these are the steps. Okay, so ये पूरा instruction क्या है? Bring the switch. That is the total instruction. But that total instructions are a combination of some micro instructions. Okay, that means you are dividing. Okay, so that means if total instruction, okay, instruction having some sort of micro instruction. छोटा 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 करके तुम सोचो. You have told go straight. This is a kind of one micro instruction. Then you have told turn right. This is maybe second. Then look left. That may be third. Open the door. That may be fourth. Correct switch. This is maybe the fifth. So these are the small जो instructions है. These are called the micro instructions. Okay. So that's why suppose the instruction execution. So this is your memory. So you are writing an instruction and there those are having lots of micro instructions. So you are writing all these micro instructions. Okay. So that is maybe the instruction one. Suppose instruction one, taking up sweets. Okay, taking up sweets. That is instruction number one. Okay. So you may have also some other things. Okay. You may send your friends to switch on the okay some power supply of your some TV or all those things. Okay, so that is maybe the instruction number two. Okay, so the thing is that देखो तो व्हाइट बोर्ड दिखाई दे रहा है व्हाइट बोर्ड so can anyone tell me ये व्हाइट बोर्ड दिखाई दे रहा है anyone विशाल हेलो
Yes sir, yes
हाँ
sir,
सर
दिख रहा है.
अच्छा so just I'm showing how the instruction execution taking place in the different way. So that I mentioned you, this is maybe the instruction number one, bringing up sweets. So there may have lots of micro instructions that I mentioned you. So lots of micro. What are those? These are micro instructions. Okay, micro instructions. Okay, these are the micro instructions. Okay, so suppose there may be 10 micro instructions. Okay, maybe 10 for instruction I1. Correct. Maybe I2. Maybe the second instruction I2. There may have also several micro instructions. Okay. मान लो 08 8 number of micro instructions are there and this is instruction number 2. So in that way you have lots of instructions and having individual instructions lots of micro instructions. Okay, so actually sequence of micro instructions. Okay, so these micro instructions, as you know, these are the combination of 0 and 1. Okay, 0 and 1. So these micro instructions, okay, are generating actually set of signals. Okay, generating set of signals. Okay, so ये जो है, this may be a block. So there may be one micro instruction. Okay, okay, maybe micro instruction number 1, micro instruction number 2, micro instruction number 3, micro instruction number 4. In that way, it may be total how much? 10 micro instructions are there. Clear? 10 number of micro instructions are there. And this micro instructions actually called set of signals. Okay, this is called, यहाँ पे जो है, this is called, और इस एड्रेस में जो है, that is called control word. What is that term? You remember all this term, control word, CW. It's called control word. And control word means set of signals. Set of signals. Set of signals. You remember all this. That is called set of signals. Okay. So instruction I1 having 10 micro operations. Okay. So each and every micro operations, this is called the control word, and they are generating set of signals. Okay. Correct. So come to the previous. So that I want to mention here. So यहाँ पे देखो decoder is there. So lots of instructions are there. I0, I1, I2, dot 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 IK. So this individual, okay, micro instructions. Okay, for individual micro instructions, a timing signal generated. Timing generator है ये. Timing signal is generated. So for I0, T1, okay, correct. So I0 for T1 देखो यहाँ पे मैं क्या बोला था, go to the whiteboard. So for first micro operations maybe T1, for second micro operation may T2, T3, T4, in likewise T10. So for this you need 10 signals, T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, in that way T10. After that it will be resetting, means it will again start with T1. So similarly, as in this instruction number 2, we are having how many micro instructions? 8 number of micro instructions are there. So that means it will generate T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7 and T8. Okay. So combining these, you are having 8 micro operations from T1, T2, T3 up to T8. Okay. So in that way, so this timing generator generating the timing signal. So how much timing signal will require, that will depends upon the number of micro operations. Okay. So according to that, this control, these are called control signals. These control signals are generated. So these control signals are generated. This is because C0, C1, C2, dot dot Cn. Okay. So after completion of execution of this, so we are having control signal C0, C1, C2, Cm. So it may be 1, it may be 0, it may be 1, ऐसा करके. So if it is of 64 bits, so there have 64 bits. So depending upon the number of bits. Okay. So in that way, so that means यहाँ पे देखो C0 and C2 having high voltage, that is 1, and any other values, any other bits are 0. So that means all are reset. So it never happen always. Okay, all the signals are high. So depending upon your micro instructions, this control word is being generated. Okay, so it may be 101, it may be 1, C0 may be 1, and others may be 0. Okay, so all the bits may be 0. Okay, so in the second case, for second instruction maybe micro instruction maybe, for second micro instruction maybe 0, 1, others are 0. That may be. And the third one may be 0, 0, it may be 1, then others may be 0. So after that C0, C1, C2, CM, you got these bit patterns. Okay, you got these bit patterns. Okay, so in that way you are getting. Now देखो यहाँ पे एक कंट्रोल यूनिट है, तो यहाँ पे वो हार्डवेयर सर्किट है, that is basically generating these C0, C1, C2, CM. Okay, so for that you need not to design here. Okay, but I can give you some idea how to design. Little bit I can give you the idea. So इधर क्या है T1, T2, T3. इधर क्या है, you are having instruction maybe I1, I2, I3. Okay, or I0, I1, I2, IK. Okay, so देखो यहाँ पे make a table. इंस्ट्रक्शन क्या क्या है ना, I1 है, maybe I2, these are the micro instructions, I3 ये चलेगा, maybe I. Okay, you design a table. How this hardware basically design, that idea I am giving you need to design this. So in this way it will move on, in this way it will move on. इधर क्या होगा T1, T2, the timing now T1, T2. In this way it will move on. How many signals are there according to you have to write. ना यहाँ पे तुम क्या लिखोगे, वो जो C0, C1, C2 डॉट डॉट CM था, that पैटर्न. मान लो यहाँ पे C0 क्या मिला तुमको, C0, C1. Okay, and you may consider C2. These three is high 1, and any other components. Okay, that may be C3, 2, जितने सारे हैं all are 0. So in this way for instruction 1 के लिए at time T1, similarly instruction 1 के लिए T2, that means T2 टाइम में जो माइक्रो इंस्ट्रक्शन था उसके लिए तुमको तुम्हारा कंट्रोल वर्ड क्या था, कंट्रोल सिग्नल क्या था, control signal, because your aim is to get the control signal, that is your aim. By hardware you are getting the control signal, means C0, C1, C2 dot CM, that you have to design, that is the signals. Okay, that is your control signal. That is called the set of signals, and it is called the control word. Similarly, यहाँ पे हो सकता है C1, C9, C12 में भी C1, C9 or C12. This is 1, and any other components are 0. So in that way, you have to complete the total table. Okay. So in that way, hardware engineer, they are designing the table, and accordingly they are going for designing hardware. So this is the method actually. Right now you need not to design. So this is your C0, C1, C2, Cm, and that is nothing but your set of signals or the control word. Okay. Now up to this, इंस्ट्रक्शन क्या है, माइक्रो इंस्ट्रक्शन क्या है, माइक्रो इंस्ट्रक्शन क्या है, माइक्रो इंस्ट्रक्शन का how many steps are there, okay, and accordingly how to you are generating the this timing signals, and from there how you are getting this control over. देखो up to this जो मैंने बोला ये तुम्हारा समझ में आया कि नहीं, because you are designing here this control signal, set of signals, these are the signals, okay, and other words these are also called the control word. Okay, तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो बोलो. So this is your hardware, okay, this is your hardware control unit, because you are generating this signal by means of hardware. Okay, because in this here we are having one disadvantage, because once you made this circuit here, so you cannot be changed. It is quite difficult to update. Okay, so that's why you have to understand here what is micro instructions, okay, and what the micro operations. Okay, so जैसे मैंने बोला था micro operation means individual operation, जो तुमको पहले दिखाया था मैं, ये वाला box. Lots of instruction, lots of micro instructions are there. So any instruction, this is maybe I1, the first one, second one, third one. So these are small जो operations है. So these are called the micro operations. Okay, these are called the micro operations. And combining, okay, all these micro operations, the complete operation actually done. So this is your control unit, hardware control unit. The circuit that schematic block diagram I have shown, and I discussed how to get all these control signals. So the disadvantage क्या है? The updation is quite difficult here once you made the hardware circuit. So the second thing is that microprogram control unit. Okay, the second one is your microprogram control unit. ये था तुम्हारा हार्डवेयर. Now the microprogram control unit.